Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to send high quality videos in Messenger. So let's get started. At first, what we normally do is get into the Messenger, and to send any photos or videos, we simply get into it and send it. But this video gets distorted or gets of low quality. Now what we can do is we can get into the files and choose it and select the video in the form of file and click on this share icon over here and click on messenger and click on chats. Now we can send it to the contact we like to share it. Now the video is gone in the form of file, not in the form of video. So now the video quality will be higher. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.